Today I'll show you how to do these cute glossy Douyin lips step by step. This lip look is super easy and looks really pretty on camera. First, take your pink lip gloss or lip tint. Start by applying it on the upper lip first. Focus mainly on the center part and keep the edges soft. Now create a small heart shape in the middle of the upper lip. Make it glossy and cute just like this. After that, add color on both sides of the upper lip. Do not fully cover the lips because the faded look is what makes it pretty. Next, apply the gloss on the center of the bottom lip. Slowly spread it a little but keep the outer lip lighter. Now gently blend everything using your finger or the applicator. Blend softly so the lips look smooth and natural. Then add a little more gloss in the center for extra shine. This makes the lips look fuller, juicy, and glossy. The shiny center with blurred edges gives that perfect Douyin makeup look. It looks super cute in selfies and videos because the gloss catches the light beautifully. And that's the final lip look, soft, glossy, and easy to do.